for us to be able to come back and give something back to the university is really just kind of something special.
My name is Randy Parmenter. I'm the owner of Wright Pressure Washing here in Dayton, Ohio. I'm a former Wright State mechanical engineering student. We're actually cleaning the exterior of the building of the Nutter Center. And we're also doing all 75,000 or so square feet of concrete outside, which includes all these sidewalks, all the entryways, all the sidewalks down the building, down by the parking lot. We're doing all that for them as well. I actually drive past it every day. I noticed we've already taken care of them, but there was really big black mold stains. You can kind of see where they were up there as well. There was really big black mold stains here and out by the sign, out by the street. This is definitely the biggest job we've ever had to date so far. First time we've had to hire somebody, get some help out here because I definitely cannot do it all myself. My dad was a student here for a while. He actually graduated from here twice, and he was really glad that I got this opportunity to do this, and he wanted to be a part of it as well.
So I hope when the visitors come to the facility, their impression is that it's a professional and clean facility. It has a great staff, they put on great events, so it deserves to look good on the outside as well.
I've learned a lot of professional skills, not only through Wright State, but also through my military experience. They have given me a lot of skills that it's taken to get this far. Definitely carrying myself in a more professional way, that's a very big thing, and just really being able to convey value. I get more excited than the customer sometimes too, and that's always fun, and they're always happy about it when it's all cleaned up too. Leaves their concrete looking brand new, so that's always a good feeling.